The Tuskegee syphilis study, done illegally on 600 sharecroppers, lasted for 40 years, even though they had a treatment 10 years in.
That treatment was penicillin, widely available by the mid-1940s, yet researchers chose to withhold it, leading to at least 100 deaths, 40 wives infected, and 19 children born with congenital syphilis.
But it was hardly the only experiment. 1946, 5,000 Guatemalans were infected with syphilis, gonorrhea, and chancroid, done intentionally by the U.S. Public Health Service without consent.
A 2010 presidential commission confirmed those infections were deliberate, calling the program a gross violation of ethics. Survivors and families in Guatemala are still fighting for justice today.
1955, America wanted to test out pills for the first time, so it tested them on Puerto Rican women. They were never told the drugs were experimental, and they faced hella side effects. The next thing you know, the FDA is approving pills.
3 women actually died during those early Puerto Rico trials, but their deaths were not properly investigated. The trials also ignored widespread reports of nausea, bleeding, and clotting.
During World War II, prisoners were infected with malaria. They're trying to figure out how all these Africans been surviving, but won't put money into sickle cell research. The sickle cell that can protect us from malaria but can also kill us. Nah, instead they use prisoners to test treatments.
Even decades later, sickle cell research remained underfunded. In the 1970s, the federal government was spending 10 times more on cystic fibrosis, which mainly affected white children, than on sickle cell, even though sickle cell was more common.
And now RFK wants to make America healthy again by getting rid of vaccines. After our bodies have been put on the line, making us skeptical of the medical industry that our bodies shaped.
In fact, after Tuskegee was revealed, studies found black men's life expectancy dropped by more than a year because mistrust in medicine kept many from seeking care. That's the cost of broken trust.
And now the lessons he believes is get rid of vaccines instead of consent, transparency, and evidence-based care with the communities most harmed at the table.